everyone. This video is going to show you how to create a home page on your Canvas course. So first of all, once you're logged into Canvas, select the course that you're going to create this home page for. This is a brand new course, so there's nothing there. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to Pages. And this works really well for creating that home page so that once your students log on to your course, they can see like a welcome page. So as you can see, there's no pages created yet. So you can either click here on add one or the plus page sign here. So once you click on plus page, you're going to have a blank page. So first I'm going to create a title, and I'm just going to say Welcome to English 110 because that's what I teach. And then here in this area, you are going to add text, a picture, whatever you want for the students to see in that very first welcome page when they log on to your course. So then I'm just going to write again, Welcome to English 110. And now I'm going to show you how to import an image because I always like to have an image on my welcome page. So I already have an image that I want to include saved onto my computer. So I'm going to pull that image from my computer. So what I want to do is here on the right hand side, I want to click on Images. And then I'm going to upload a new image. Choose File. I'm going to look for my image. I saved it on the desktop. Let's see if I can find it in all my crazy files. Oh, there it is. I love writing. I'm going to select it, click Open. Then here you have to include an alt text. So I'm going to just type in I love writing because that's what the image says. If it's a purely decorative image, you want to click here. But if you can describe it, then go ahead and enter that alt text for accessibility purposes. Once you've done that, then just click Upload. And there's the image, and there it is. So the image is a little big, so I just clicked on it, and I'm going to cut it down to the size I want. I want this to be centered. I want it bold, and I want the text to be a little bit larger, more exciting. I also want the image to be centered. So now after this, if I want to add anything else to this page, I'll just go ahead and type away. Maybe I can add my information, how to contact me, my email, things like that. So I'll just go ahead and quickly add that. So, it can basically have whatever you want it to have. And I want it all centered. That's just my preference. Okay, and then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save and Publish because I want to use this page as my home page. So there it is. I've saved and published it. This is what it's going to look like when students see it. So if you want this to be your home page, what that means is that when students log on to the Canvas course, this is what they'll see. I'm going to go over here to the top right hand side and I'm going to select Use as Front Page. Okay, so now I can see that this is my front page. If I go to View All Pages, I only have one page, but if I had more than one page, my front page is always going to show this icon. Okay, so that's how I know that that's going to be the front page. Now there's one more step. If I click on Home, you're going to notice that the page is not there. So what I have to do is I have to go over here on the right hand side, choose Home Page. Then in this, I'm going to say Pages Front Page. And there it says Welcome to English 110. That's the page I made as my front page. And I'm going to click Save. So there it is. So when students log on to this course, that is the first page that they're going to see. So any important information that you want students to see right away, that's where you want to add it. One more tip. A lot of instructors use announcements. You'll have to watch another video to learn how to create an announcement. It's super easy. But if you do use announcements, I suggest you go to Settings And then here, we're going to scroll all the way down, click more options, and right here, the second option is show recent announcements on course homepage. So by clicking this, what's going to happen is any announcements that you create, they're going to be listed on the home page, on the very top of the home page. So it does give you a choice. How many announcements do you want to list? By default, it's 3. I usually leave it at that, but you can change the number. And right after you do this, make sure you click on Update Course Details. If you don't do that, it's not going to save that option. So now, when the student comes to the course, here will be the list of recent announcements. There's no announcements because this is a brand new course that really doesn't exist. But here, the students would see any announcement that I just sent them. They'll see them listed up there, up to 3 announcements. If you want to learn how to create announcements, then watch the video entitled Creating Announcements. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.